Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Around here we like the video before we watch it, so don't forget to leave me a like. I'm just gonna give you 3 seconds to go down below and like my video. 3, 2, 1, done. I hope you've liked it, guys. Today is Friday. Today I'm going to be going to the beach. I'm going to the beach with one of my friends. He's actually on his way here, so yeah, I just decided, let me vlog, let me take you guys along with me, because I've never vlogged myself at the beach, and I just thought like it'll be like a cute little, you know, it's just gonna be like a cute little beach experience. We've been to the beach together so many times before, so I just thought let's just vlog this today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's it. He's actually here. Your Instagram. Do you want to link your Instagram?
If you actually take it into consideration, this place is actually sick. So what do you? I thought it was okay. You know, it's full eternity. I'm like,
I'll link it down below. I'll put it right up here on the screen. Guys, we're at the beach now. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This way. Oh shit. Ah! I'll just laugh by myself. I'll just literally laugh by myself. We can strap to Cairns Bay. Okay guys, we just got to Clifton 3. Clifton 3rd. So this is the third half. There's 4 quarters of Clifton, right? So there's this Clifton 3. We can walk to Clifton 2. There's this 2, then 1, and then 4 that way. I can't play volleyball. Yeah, I don't know how to play. Look cool. welcome back. So it is actually the next day now. Today is Saturday. We had a great time at the beach yesterday, as you guys saw from the previous clips. But today is Saturday. I'm actually at Waterfront. You guys have seen me filming at Waterfront a couple of times now. I'm at Waterfront. I'm here with my aunt. It's her birthday. I'm here with my aunt because it's her birthday. And yeah, we're just here chilling. We're just having some cocktails. I bought her these flowers. So yeah, we're just here chilling. And so I just ordered a pizza. Here it is. Titi ordered some fish, so we're just gonna have this food. We're gonna enjoy it, and yeah, definitely. Some more cocktails. They look really, really nice. What? You're just checking this.
The next day.
Anyways, this is my new couch. It's literally taking up almost half of the living room. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm so excited for this new couch. I just don't know how I'm gonna fit it in here because my desk is over there. The couch, can you see, it's just in the middle. Then I've got these bookshelves over here. But yeah, I just got a new couch. I haven't had a couch for like, ever since I moved into this place. Where am I gonna put it? What was I thinking? Getting such a huge one. It's huge, and I only got it because number one, it was super cheap. It was super cheap, and it just unraveled. Yeah, so this is my new couch. As you guys can see, it's like just sitting here in the middle. Let me actually open up this door. It's a bit hot. Okay, guys, you've got a little bit of a problem. This couch is huge. Let me actually zoom out so you guys can see just how big it is. It's extremely wide, and I think I need to move those shelves to bring them this side where my desk is, and then I'll put the couch facing this way, because I don't have a TV and I don't plan on getting a TV yet. I just wanted the couch. Okay, guys, so we're getting somewhere. This is the new setup. I don't know, I had to take off so many books. Look at just how much schoolwork books and shit I've got, because this was gonna break if I don't take off some of the books. But I had to take off all of my files and all of my books. I don't really know if I like the setup. There's still a lot of space in the middle, but I don't really know if I like the setup because I liked the two shelves together, but now they're not together. But I don't have a choice because this couch is just so damn big. Hi guys, welcome back. Currently, today is actually Saturday and it is around 6 o'clock. I'm actually at the Baxter Theatre because I'm here for the Zim Society Gala. So like they're announcing the new president, the new Zim Society committee members and all that stuff. So I'm actually currently here. It's gonna be a great night and I just decided let me just vlog this because I haven't actually vlogged any kind of like uni events. So I just thought let me vlog this. It's gonna be so great and I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Mr. President, do you have a few words for us? Your loyal subjects, citizens, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe.
I just want to say, let's enjoy the evening.
After the evening, let's go back to Zimba and register the vote.
How are you feeling?
I'm happy.
Congratulations. So what are your plans for the Zim Society next year?
So basically, the main goal is to change the convenience society to community.
Okay. And can you say a few things about our country, Zimbabwe? What do you think the trajectory of the country is?
Politics society.
Yeah?
I was looking at the figures published yesterday
Yeah.
by Dr. John Lambuja.
Yes, I saw it as well. What do you think of what he said?
He was saying exports are up. Exports are up.
Okay.
And they're projecting this year we have exports of 11 billion.
You don't drink? What do you mean don't subscribe? Fuck off.
Tawana just told me to let you guys know people
Yeah.
that you should not subscribe. If you have already subscribed, please unsubscribe.
Okay.
This is straight from Tawana.
Few hours later.
Hi guys, today I am at Starbucks. Good morning, I am at Starbucks right now. Yeah, it is Friday, so I just decided, you know what, we're kind of going into the weekend, I might as well come and study somewhere else. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly, but I thought let me come and study somewhere else because we are kind of going into the weekend. I was just tired of being indoors, so I'm sitting by Starbucks. I'm just about to get some work done, and yeah, let's work. I just got a caramel frappuccino. It's got my name on it, so I just got a caramel frappuccino. It looks so good. I wanted something cold. I wasn't really in the mood for something hot, so I got a caramel frappuccino, and I like to put sweeter in my caramel frappuccino because I like it really sweet. So I'm just about to get here, do some work, and yeah.